In fleet management, driver and passenger safety always come first. Expected high-speed collision may lead to serious consequences if timely intervention is not made. Therefore, real-time and accurate collision warning has become an important line of defense for protecting the safety of the fleet. In-hand networks VT200 vehicle tracking gateway integrates cellular connection and excellent industrial grade. With its built-in gyroscope and GPS, it can detect the deceleration or collision of the vehicle, then report the abnormal status and location to the cloud management center, provide strong support for subsequent timely rescue. Now, let's conduct a crash test simulating a 100 km/h speed to verify the stability and the reliability of the VT200 under extreme conditions. Even at the moment of a collision, VT200 still maintains a stable connection with the cloud platform. This means that once an emergency occurs, the cloud platform can immediately receive the alarm signal from the vehicle and provide timely information feedback to the fleet management and dispatching personnel, ensuring that the rescue can be called the first time when an accident occurs. VT200 provides a solid guarantee for the continuous and efficient operation of the fleet with its excellent equipment performance and industrial protection capabilities. Choose in-hand to make your fleet management more intelligent, safe, and efficient.